Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hiram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. Do you like my new plants? Oh my god, I just spit all over my computer. They're actually not my plants, they're my roommate's plants. I just have the devil's touch when it comes to taking care of plants. So my roommate was like, I'll put these in here, I'll take care of them, no touchy. And I was like, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the best Korean skincare products I've managed to find for oily skin. Now, if you have oily skin, you understand the struggle. First of all, it is so hard to find good products for oily skin that are non-irritating, not too heavy, but still deliver the skincare results that you want. And it's also hard to find people talking about oily skin because everyone seems to have dry skin, and there's always so many videos and so much content for people with dry skin, and I'm like, what about us oily skinners? We have needs too. Anyway, I am so freaking excited for this video. You know why? Because, well, two reasons. First of all, it's a video about Korean skincare. Korean skincare is something that I have been coming to love so much because there are just so many good options for such an affordable price. And I'm super stoked about the ones that I'm going to talk about specifically in this video. But I'm also excited because this video is sponsored by YesStyle. If you guys don't know YesStyle, I did one sponsorship with them before. They are an amazing website that basically hooks you up with the best Korean skincare available. And when I say Korean skincare, I do not mean American companies that claim to be Korean skincare. So you're getting like the good stuff. Yeah, man, I got this hookup named YesStyle. Hooks me up with the best stuff. Yeah, you gotta get on it. Super on the low, man. Yeah, you gotta keep this secret. Okay, Hiram, you've made your point. Even though it is sponsored, I was able to choose all of the products myself that they sent to me so that I could find products that were in accordance with my standards for skincare. And you guys know that I have crazy high standards. So this balance of being able to work together is honestly super ideal for me. Thank you so much, YesStyle. And if you are interested in getting anything from YesStyle, I have a discount code available for you guys. If you use code YesHiram15, you get 15% off your purchase of over $49, which is a pretty good deal because it's hard to find discount codes that good for YesStyle. All of the products that I'm going to mention in this video can be found on YesStyle.com. So if you do want to shop the things that I have mentioned, feel free to use my code. And yeah, let's get into the video. Now, I will admit, I am relatively new to Korean skincare. So am I saying these are the best out of every single product in the world? No. But are they the best that I've managed to find in my short time discovering Korean skincare? Absolutely. And each of these products have my ingredient stamp of approval. I will explain why for every individual product, but you can trust that these products are Hiram approved. I have some products that have become like my new favorite in my skincare routine that I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's get into it. All right, so first up we have cleanser, of course, and the one I have been using for a while and absolutely loving is the Centella Bubble Cleansing Foam from iUnique. This is a foaming cleanser that is formulated with 69% Centella Asiatica leaf water, which if you don't know what that ingredient is, I'm just going to explain it now because it's pretty much in every single product that I'm recommending in this video. Centella Asiatica is what is more commonly known as Centella or pennywort. It is an amazing herbal extract that has been used in wound healing, but is also good for moisturizing the face and being a great antioxidant, which means it's really going to protect your skin from different types of damage that your skin faces every single day. It is an incredible ingredient and it's really commonly found in Korean skincare, not so much in American skincare, which I don't know why. We need to get on that because Centella is an amazing ingredient that I absolutely love. But this is formulated with 69%. Holy shit. I love this product because it is very gentle, but really good at cleansing your face. Usually when it comes to cleansers, I either find cleansers that are so gentle that they don't do anything and my pores are still clogged, or I find cleansers that will legit strip every single last drop of hydration out of my face so my face is like the Sahara Desert. It's not cute, but this one has a really good balance. Now, I do want to dispel one myth. For some reason, in my comment section, I have so many people saying, if your cleanser foams at all, it's bad for your skin. No, it's not. Not from what I've seen. I think what most people think of when they think of a foaming cleanser is sulfates, which are known to be a foaming agent for different types of cleansers, which can overly strip the hydration of your face. But just because a cleanser foams does not mean that it is formulated with sulfates. This one is formulated with mild cleansing agents that really aren't going to overstrip your skin, but still clean it just enough. All right, the next product I have is from the brand Purito. I always want to say Purito. Purito. It is the Galacto Niacin 97 Power Essence. That's the long name. Okay, right away I'm gonna say when I was looking through all of the products that I have, I realized that they all come from the same 2 brands, which I did not plan that at all. I got so many different products from so many brands, but for some reason, these 2 brands are bomb AF, and they happen to be iUnique and Purito. For this one, you can either soak a cotton pad or you can put it directly into the palm. I usually just put it directly into my palm and then patted it into my face, and it absorbed within 10 seconds. I absolutely love Purito because they are fragrance and essential oil free, which is so hard to find. They're also a really good price point, but the ingredients are just incredible. So good. I especially appreciate. Now, I love this one because, first of all, it's an essence, so it's very, very lightweight on the skin, absorbs really quickly. The primary ingredient is galactomyces, which, if you know the brand SK2, it's basically the same thing. It's a ferment that helps to hydrate the face, may have anti-aging properties, but honestly, like, not 100% convinced by the research that I've seen so far, but regardless, it is a good ingredient. This is also formulated with 5% niacinamide, which is great for anyone who has oily or combination skin because niacinamide is really going to control all of the oil protection on the face, brighten the face. It's just such an incredible ingredient. Now, is this the highest concentration of niacinamide out there? No. But the reason why is because some of these other products that I'm using also are formulated with niacinamide, so I wanted to make sure that they all kind of work together and weren't too out of control. People with oily skin are especially going to appreciate it. If you are cinnamon. If you are a person who loves niacinamide or wants to try something like SK2, I definitely recommend this product because you're getting both for a much lower price point. All right, the next product is my favorite product from this entire routine and one of the best products that I think I have found so far in the skincare world. So freaking excited to tell you guys about it because I have been waiting. It is the iUnique Black Snail Restore Serum. This serum is so incredible. When you look at the ingredient list, every single ingredient, I'm just like, oh my lord, they know my heart. They know what I am going after. How did they read my mind? Literally, every single ingredient is so amazing in this product, which is why I love it. But typically, serums tend to be a little bit heavier on the skin, especially because this one is made with snail secretion. I know that may sound nasty to some of y'all, but I am a firm believer in snail secretion because of how beautiful it makes the skin look and just how it helps to hydrate the skin. And usually snail secretion is pretty heavy on the face. Usually I can only use it at nighttime because that's how heavy it is. However, this is so lightweight. It is a serum that absorbs into my skin like literally within 5 seconds. I will use the full dropper worth and then apply it onto my face and then just boom, it's like it instantly disappears into my skin, which I absolutely love because it means that my skin isn't struggling to absorb all the benefits of the product, but that it is soaking up every last drop of it. In addition to the secretion, this is also formulated with green tea, which is great for reducing any inflammation, niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, which is a concentrated form of hyaluronic acid to really help hydrate the face, Saccharomyces, as well as so many other ingredients. And I think I love this product so much because I'm just baffled by the way it was formulated. With all of the ingredients that it has, it really should be a heavy serum on the face, but it is so lightweight and you hardly notice, and you don't notice any heaviness at all, that I'm just like, what? How does this even work? I don't understand. And it is in glass packaging, which I love because glass can be recycled an infinite amount of times while plastic can only be recycled like 2 or 3 times at most, and it's a great affordable price. I definitely recommend this product to anyone out there, but especially someone with oily skin looking for a good serum. All right, moving on to the moisturizer, we have the Centella Calming Gel Cream from iUnique. This one specifically intrigued me because it is formulated with 70% Centella Asiatica water, which is a really high percentage, especially for a moisturizer. And I was like, I'm very intrigued. Right away when I heard that, I was like, okay, this is going to be very lightweight. But I was surprised by this formula because it has a little bit of an occlusiveness, which basically means ingredients that are going to form a protective barrier across your skin. Now, normally, if you have oily skin, occlusive ingredients are kind of like a little bit on the nervous side because you don't know what's going to clog your pores. It just melts right off your face. But this is so lightweight that you can definitely tell that it is serving the function of a moisturizer. That is putting a protective barrier across your face to make sure that you don't lose any water or hydration throughout the day. And not only that, the Centella is going to help to calm any irritation or inflammation throughout the day when exposed to different things like sunlight or just irritating factors. This is also formulated with some tea tree water, which I'm not crazy about tea tree, but when it's diluted in water, I think it's really beneficial. It really helps to control oiliness across the face throughout the day. It has niacinamide as well as a few good silicones. Now, I am not against silicones, but I don't necessarily want them formulated in every single one of my products. However, I think moisturizer is where you definitely need to have some type of a silicone because it really helps to form that protective protective barrier across the skin. I'm just more mindful, and this product definitely falls in line with that. The one downside to this product is that it does include some bergamot essential oil. However, I can't smell it when I use the product because I have used many products with a high concentration of bergamot oil to where you crack it open and you're like, oh, I am in the orange fields, girl. Definitely what you want in a moisturizer. I love this one. And the last product, sunscreen, which this one has been getting a lot of attention on social media, rightly so. It is the Centella Green Level Unscented Sun SPF 50 PA++++ from Purito. Now, this one specifically caught my eye because I have definitely been becoming a fan of Korean sunscreens. They use different types of ingredients than we use in the United States that are much more innovative and revolutionary in terms of sun protective abilities. This one I specifically like because it is unscented, so it's formulated without any fragrance or essential oils, which is great because we don't want that in a sunscreen, but also because this one is known to be mattifying and has no white cast whatsoever. I really liked this product because of those two reasons. When it comes to sunscreen, a lot of times when I use different types of sunscreens, they tend to be a little bit heavy on the face or just give me too much glow, and I'm really looking for minimal glow because my skin is so oily. In addition, sometimes they have such a harsh white cast that it is nearly impossible to use it on its own without like a darkening agent. But this one has no white cast whatsoever. So many people have been talking about this sunscreen and raving on about it. I really enjoyed it. Is it my favorite sunscreen of all time? No, I think the reason being is because I noticed when I did get sweaty, like full-on humidity sweat dripping down my face, this didn't tend to stay very well, but I'm not going to blame it for that because, hello, this does not advertise to be water resistant, and I consider myself to be in a very unique situation living here in Hawaii when I am literally running to catch the bus and sweat is dripping across my face. Okay, that is not the usual scenario that people get themselves into. But yeah, besides that, absolutely loved this product. I think there is a reason why it is so popular and definitely a recommendation from me. Wow, okay, those are all the products. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I want to hear your thoughts about these brands, these products, or other recommendations that you have. If you are familiar with Korean skincare, I want to get product recommendations from you. Preferably fragrance-free if that's at all a possibility. But I hope this helped you guys in your search for products that work really well for oily or combination skin. Lastly, I want to say thank you so much for YesStyle for sponsoring this video. I am so excited I have all of these Korean skincare goodies to try out. And thank you guys so much as well for being so accepting every time I do a sponsorship so that I can work towards my goal of doing YouTube full-time. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.